With Watson Analytics, IBM has extended the power of advanced analytics to business users in all organizations. By asking questions in natural language, citizen analysts can now discover insights previously locked within the data. But even with this advancement, many frontline employees may not know where to start. What questions should they ask? Or they simply don't have time to do data analysis from scratch. Enter Watson Analytics Expert Storybooks. Expert Storybooks provide guided templates for specific business problems. By providing expert commentary on the analysis content, it enables novice or infrequent users to interpret the results and gain the insights they need. Suppose that I'm a sales manager. I think that it would be good for my team to see a win-loss analysis of their individual performance. But even though I've started using Watson Analytics to do that at the team level, my team hasn't, and I don't want them spending a lot of time trying to learn how. I could share with them some of the things I created, but how do I easily explain to them what I've done? And frankly, I'm not even sure I've looked at everything I should. But as a client of Sugar CRM, I noticed that there is a win-loss expert storybook available. Surely those guys know how to do win-loss analysis. I simply import this into my Watson Analytics tenant, and I can explore what this does for me. As I open the storybook in my environment, I see the high-level content it contains. The expert authors have determined that a complete win-loss analysis should include these 8 perspectives: a top-line view, opportunity status overview, win-loss trends, results by geography, deal size, type of buyer, client size, and lead source and campaigns. In my previous analysis, I don't think I've ever looked at all of these in such a comprehensive way. I can access any of these, but the organization is part of the guidance, so I'll start with the top-line view. Storybooks available from the Exchange will come with sample data, but they are designed to have the data easily replaced with a different set from my own sources. As I use Sugar, the data should flow in perfectly, but I can always remap to other sources should differences occur. I'm going to use the sample data for this demo. Upon seeing this display, I understand the name Expert Storybooks. On the left, I have my expert guidance, and on the right, I have the contents of the story. As I might expect, it starts me with views of my pipeline and bookings. I know how to interpret these, but my team may not. But I see on the left the expert guidance takes care of that. For example, I see that on the Sales Analysis tab, I need to consider accounts showing in both closed and active. This is something my sellers probably don't know to look at. As I move to the next finding, it starts digging more into the win-loss components, showing the number and sizes of deals that I've won and lost. Next, I see win-loss trending over time. I continue to get the guidance on the left, but I also see something new. This dot on the right is an annotation the experts included. These can be placed anywhere on the display to provide additional pop-up guidance. Continuing, I see the geography results. I also want my sellers to be able to interact with this. Since it's built on Watson Analytics, I have the same type of capabilities. So if I want to get more details on California, I simply right-click and drill down. Knowing that seeing cities on a map of California is not the best way to see this data, the smarts of Watson Analytics automatically changed it to the best option. This next display is something I never thought to look at myself, comparing deal sizes. The expert guidance will tell me and my team how to interpret this. And the last 3 findings provide similar insights on the other areas of analysis. At this point, I can see this will be an easy way for my team to do their own win-loss analysis, but I also want them to be able to ask their own questions once they become more knowledgeable. Because this is built on Watson Analytics, the ability to ask natural language questions of the data is only a click away. This example has shown how Expert Storybooks deliver not just analysis capability, but the expertise and guidance to make the analysis meaningful to any user. They can be created and used inside an organization to scale expertise beyond key individuals, and they can be pushed outside their organizations to help their own clients, as we saw here with Sugar CRM. And authoring storybooks is as easy as using them, because they are built using the same discoveries and displays found in Watson Analytics. You simply add your expertise for context and guidance. Look for the companion video on authoring to learn more. Watson Analytics Expert Storybooks, combining the knowledge of experts with the cognitive smarts of Watson to deliver actionable insights to even more people.